Good morning, friends. I am Shwetali teacher. Welcome to KB Banda English Medium School online class. Today we are going to learn English Bal Bharti Standard 6, Unit number 1, Lesson number 1. Who is the greatest? You know Emperor Akbar and Birbal stories. Today we are going to learn one more story. See student, in your textbook, Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest ruler in the world. Not just because he had a vast empire, a very strong army, untold wealthy. Untold wealth means, here it means that is too great to be measured, but because he was a good human being. He cared for his subject. He had a great respect for soldiers, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religions. He was a patron of art and culture. Patron of art and culture. It means a person who appreciate, support, and encourage art and culture. The 9 games or Navratnas in his court were a famous. Many people believed that of these 9 games. Games means precious stones. Birbal was a coastal to the emperor heart. Closest to the emperor heart means most loved by the emperor. Now, see students, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Akbar loved to pose. To pose means to pose a question. Here it means to ask a question. Interesting questions or problems in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an actually interesting answer. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in a history. They have been handed down generation over a generation, mainly by the words of a mouth. Here are two of them. One day the emperor entered the court of a very serious expressions on his face. As soon as he was stated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my monstich? The court was stunned. Pull the emperor monstich? It was unheard of. Flug. Here it means flugs mean beat someone hard, especially with a whip. Flug him, gave him 50 launches of the whips, exchanged one nobleman. That's not enough. Put him in a jail without food or water, said another. Wipe him, beat him, and hug him, cute of his obtaining hand. The again agitated. Hesitated means, here it means disinterestable. Courts begins to carry out. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, a giver of the pace to the world, the offendable should be given his favorite sweet malt. Sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Gave us sweetmeats for such a grave offence? The court begins to say. Birbal smiled and afraid and extended begins to say. Birbal smiled and offered and extended. Gravy. Gravy here it means a serious. The court begins to say. Birbal smiled and offered and extended. Yes, who would be say the blind as to pull the emperor hostage? Only his own grandson. When the Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what he happened in the morning. One another occasion, Akbar was realizing with some of his codes. He few of a few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower a prize on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to complain with each other and praising Akbar. You are the greatest of the kings. You are the greatest of the kings or the emperor that ever lived on the earth. Yeah, you are the greatest of all the people in heaven or the earth. You are as great as God Almighty. You are great than the God of Almighty. No, Akbar was no fool. Here was no fool means was not a fool. He did not care for a false prize. He stopped the courts and asked, "Do you all believe so?" Yes, they answered in a one voice. All right, then prove it to me. Tell me at last one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. Otherwise, you will all ensure or the royal displeasure. Here it means royal displeasure means make me angry. You have till tomorrow morning to prove it. Akbar then left the place without another look at the codes. They were in a proper facts. Proper facts here it means in a thought corner in a difficult situation. They thought and thought but could not think and of any such things. In the end, they went to Birbal. When a Birbal heard his story, he told them not to worry. The next morning, the court was full. Everyone was curious to see what would happen next. Well, said the emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Oh, are you ready to leave the court of Pharaoh? Just then, Birbal stepped forward and blowed low. Please don't be angry with this who Please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. There's certainly at a list on things that you can do, but the God's Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at the Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person, you can throw him out of your kingdom, but God's kingdom extends everywhere. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. Well, showing how I have an advantage. You have also shown that God is greater. I believe you, Akbar. Akbar was so pleased and with the answer that favorite the codes for this stupidity. Okay, all of you understand, students? Very good.